Ever wondered how your crypto trades get executed on Kraken? Like, who's behind the scenes making sure your Bitcoin buy order actually goes through? It's not magic, and it's definitely not some random server in someone's basement. It's a complex network infrastructure, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unravel the mystery of which network Kraken uses, exploring the technology that powers one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about what a network actually is in this context. We're not just talking about your Wi-Fi at home. We're talking about the backbone of Kraken's entire operation, the system that connects their servers, their trading engine, their security protocols, and ultimately, you, the user. Think of it like the nervous system of Kraken, transmitting information and enabling all the different parts to communicate seamlessly. A robust and reliable network is absolutely crucial for any exchange, especially one handling the volume and value of transactions that Kraken does. Imagine if the network went down during a massive Bitcoin price swing. Chaos, right? So, the choice of network is a fundamental decision that impacts everything from performance and security to scalability and user experience. Now, you might be thinking, why is it so difficult to find this information? Why doesn't Kraken just tell us outright? Well, the specifics of their network architecture are considered proprietary information. It's a trade secret, if you will. Revealing too much detail could potentially expose vulnerabilities or give competitors an edge. Think of it like Coca-Cola's secret formula. They're not going to publish it online for everyone to see. However, we can deduce a lot about the kind of network Kraken likely uses by looking at industry best practices, the scale of their operations, and some educated guesswork based on publicly available information. One thing we know for sure is that Kraken relies on a combination of different technologies. It's not just one single network. They need to handle a wide range of tasks, from high-frequency trading to secure data storage, and each of these might require different network solutions. For example, the trading engine itself likely operates on a low-latency, high-bandwidth network, optimized for speed and efficiency. Every millisecond counts when you're dealing with volatile cryptocurrency markets. A delay of even a fraction of a second could mean the difference between a profitable trade and a missed opportunity. This part of the network probably utilizes technologies like fiber optics, which allows for extremely fast data transmission. Think of it as the high-speed rail of the internet. Then, there's the security aspect. Kraken handles billions of dollars worth of digital assets, making it a prime target for hackers. They need a network that's not only fast, but also incredibly secure. This likely involves multiple layers of protection, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption technologies. Parts of their network might be completely isolated from the public internet, creating an air gap that makes it much harder for attackers to penetrate. This is like having a vault within a vault. Another crucial component is scalability. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and Kraken needs to be able to handle increasing transaction volumes and user traffic. The network needs to be flexible and scalable, allowing them to easily add more capacity as needed. This likely involves cloud computing technologies. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Google Cloud Platform, GCP, offer the infrastructure and tools to scale up resources on demand. Imagine being able to instantly add more lanes to a highway during rush hour. That's essentially what cloud computing allows. While we can't definitively say Kraken uses AWS or GCP, it's a strong possibility given their scale. Now, let's talk about some specific technologies that Kraken might be utilizing. We've already mentioned fiber optics for high-speed connectivity. They also likely use various routing and switching protocols to manage network traffic. These protocols are like the traffic controllers of the internet, directing data packets to their intended destinations. Another crucial technology is load balancing. This distributes network traffic across multiple servers, preventing any single server from becoming overloaded. Think of it like having multiple checkout lines at a grocery store, ensuring that no one has to wait too long. In terms of security, Kraken likely employs a wide range of tools and techniques. Firewalls act as barriers between different parts of the network, blocking unauthorized access. Intrusion detection systems monitor network traffic for suspicious activity, alerting security personnel to potential threats. Encryption technologies scramble data, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. This is like sending a secret message in code. It's also worth noting that Kraken probably uses a content delivery network, CDN. CDNs are networks of servers distributed around the world that cache website content closer to users. This improves website performance and reduces latency, making the user experience smoother and faster. Imagine if every time you visited a website, the data had to travel all the way to the website's main server. It would be incredibly slow. CDNs help to avoid this by storing copies of the website's content on servers closer to you. So, while we can't give you a definitive answer to the question of which specific network Kraken uses, we can paint a pretty good picture of the kind of infrastructure they likely have in place. It's a complex and sophisticated system, incorporating a variety of technologies to ensure speed, security, and scalability. It's a testament to the engineering challenges involved in running a global cryptocurrency exchange. Ultimately, the exact details of Kraken's network architecture are less important than the fact that they have a robust and reliable system in place. They've been operating for many years, handling massive transaction volumes and maintaining a strong reputation for security. This suggests that they've made the right choices when it comes to their network infrastructure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.